And if you hadn't seen one of these before, this is your TA Challengers. TA represents the Trans Am package that come out in these cars. So if you ever ordered one of these from the factory, you got the fiberglass bonnet, you got a rear spoiler, they were optioned with side pipes, you got the rally rims, a 340 with a 6-pack, which is your 3 2-barrel carbies, and this one's the automatic version, but these were specifically designed, their style, or our Bathurst, but their Bathurst is the Trans Am series, so great car. Yeah, so this just had a mild, well, it's had an upgrade, so we can just see that it's got a fuel rail. So the owner's saying that it's got 3 throttle bodies in there, 3 dual barrel throttle bodies. Bare brake system, so this had a lot of money spent on it. He's in a way done a resto mod, but horsepower upgrade, aluminium heads. So we've got billet pieces throughout the engine. Yeah, money spent wisely on this thing.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a great car. Credit to the owner.
Huge cornfields up in Iowa, the Sorensens. He rolled it end to end on the way to baseball and landed back on the wheels and didn't break any windows, so it sat in a paddock for 43 years.
Wow, and then somehow you managed to buy it along the...
bought it, yeah. I bought one that was rusted out, put out an ad for a TA body, and he goes, guess what, I got one you can have.
And you managed to get a genuine TA body?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's a credit to you. So
it's
this...
the only TA ever made with cloth, with orange and black cloth seats.
Gotcha. So
1 and 1. Yeah.
1 and 1 of it.
Yeah.
So if you're not familiar with these cars, some of them even got optioned with an alligator skin vinyl top. Is that correct?
The other one's alligator, yeah.
There you have it, yeah.
Gator grain.
Gator grain, that's what they call it. And I'm only going off things that I've seen or read about, so never seen one in person. But this gentleman owns the sister car to this, which it has got the gator grain vinyl roof.
And I got an A66 from 1970.
And it just keeps coming.
It's never been touched.
Wow.